Here's how to get back to the normal iPhone 17e lock screen and passcode screen, and how to turn this feature off completely. First, exit the zoom screen using 3 fingers. Double tap the screen with 3 fingers to return to the normal view. If it doesn't work the first time, try again. If it still doesn't work, try force restarting your iPhone to exit the zoom screen automatically. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. After that, turn off this feature in accessibility settings to prevent accidental screen zoom. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Accessibility. Tap Zoom, then turn off the zoom toggle. That's it! Your problem should now be fixed permanently. Please like this video to support the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.